Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be showing you guys my DIY tea rinse. Alright, so we are starting off with 2 bags of green tea. This formula is gonna last you about 4 uses. So I made it a bit heavy, so we got some whole amla in there. Just do a sprinkle. You can do like 2 tablespoons of fenugreek. As you can see here, I'm not filling up this 1/4 cup measurement cup. I have raw Bhringraj roots, not the powder. You can use the powder though, but I'm using the full herbs. And then we're gonna fill the pot up with water, and I'm gonna let that boil for about 20 minutes. And this is the results. So now I'm gonna transfer it. I have these 2 bottles that I got from Sally's. I'm gonna use the larger applicator bottle, because it has a stopper on the nozzle. I can store it in the fridge. So I'm going to use a funnel. I'm going to pour the tea in there, and then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of MSM. Girl, you know it's real good for hair growth. So I'm going to shake that up really good in the warm tea. And then I am going to separate my hair in 4 sections and apply this to my scalp. Now, what I love about tea rinses, let me tell you something. If you have issues with shedding, if you have issues with your edges not growing back, if you have issues with your hair being lackluster, tea rinses help so much with all of these issues. Like, my main issue has been hair shedding. And honey, when I tell you I started doing tea rinses, look, my shedding has decreased so much. And I'll post a picture of the little bit of shedding that I had after this. Once this video is done, I'm gonna post it at the end. But can I tell you, this is a game changer. I do tea rinses every 2 weeks. You can even add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to it as well. So I'll rotate between water, and sometimes I'll add apple cider vinegar to the tea rinse. But when I tell you, it strengthens the hair, it makes the hair shiny. And so what I do is I apply the tea rinse to the scalp, and then I apply it all over the hair strands. And then I go in with my moisture repair cream. So my Antoinette moisture repair cream, you guys know that this moisture repair cream is Bay for deep conditioning, and I lock the tea in with this cream. And ever since I've been doing this, my hair has been so soft, so shiny. My hair has been growing. I mean, my hair barely sheds. It has been a lifesaver. So what I do is I go in sections, just because the tea can get really messy. So I do it in small sections, apply the tea, apply it onto the scalp, apply it onto the strands. I mean, you can see, you can watch my hair transform. Now, this is after a shampoo. So I pre-pooed my hair with the Antoinette leave-in conditioning milk. And then I shampooed my hair with the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian shampoo. And then I do my tea rinse. So this is like a full wash day routine. Like, honey, we about to get our lives, we about to get our edges back. We ain't playing with the hair growth and the hair health. And so all of the steps that I take are amazing for just keeping the hair healthy. And so if you want, I will post the links to the videos below on how I pre-poo my hair. And also I think I have an old video on my wash day. My wash day has not changed. So I shampoo and then I deep condition every single week, and then every other week I do a tea rinse. I've also started incorporating but Ayurvedic mask. It also includes henna, but it has some of the other powders in it as well that are really, really good for hair growth. And honestly, guys, I have seen such a huge difference in my hair. And I will have to do another video on this for you guys. But look, like, you can even see it though. You can see how shiny my hair is even after the pre-pooing. I did most of my detangling through pre-pooing. And so I use my Antoinette detangler, this pink detangling brush, and so the brush just slides through the hair, honey. And then I use my denim brush to clump my curls, honey. I don't like to use the denim brush to detangle just because it rips too much of my hair out. So I detangle with my Antoinette detangler, and I define my curls with the denim brush. So that's my routine with that. And as you can see, honey, the curls came out to play. They came out to play, darling. Yes. So I am loving it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want more details on the herbs that I use, I'll actually post a little description on each of them and their benefits. I have been researching fenugreek for a minute, and I started incorporating that with green tea. I used to use green tea. I've been using green tea for a few years now, and I think I may have a video on that too. However, incorporating it with Ayurvedic herbs have been like a super game changer. So if you make this tea, make sure the excess of it, you store it in the refrigerator. All right, and it has MSM. Like I said, MSM is excellent for hair growth, and fenugreek, excellent for hair growth. Green tea is excellent for preventing shedding and slowing down the shedding of the hair by blocking DHT, which is a component that causes hair to shed. So yeah, there's some great information on all of these herbs and the ingredients that I use. So I'll post it in the description box for you guys, like a little snippet. But yeah, that's it. So enjoy the rest of this video. The video is almost over. This is just how I use my tea rinse to deep condition. All right, guys. So until I see y'all again, stay beautiful. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, guys, so my hair is done. Well, this is half of my hair. But pretty much this is the process. So if you guys want to check out the Moisture Repair Cream Deep Conditioner, I'm telling you, it is going to change your whole hair game routine. I can barely ever keep this thing in stock. We go through so much of this moisture repair cream because it's multi-use. I will post a coupon code and the link down below. All right, guys, so check out the video, check out the picture of my hair shedding. This is how much hair I used to shed versus now how much hair normally sheds on a wash day when since I've incorporated tea rinses. All right, so if you guys have any questions, I always do my tea rinses with use of my moisture repair as a deep conditioner. So if you have any questions about this, you guys let me know. And until I see y'all again, stay beautiful. Next up, I will do my post deep conditioning routine. All right, guys? All right, have a good one.